Welcome, and thanks for attending the open house of the Science Department of the Lucerne County Community College. In this video, you will find information regarding the programs of study available for you here at the Science Department. You will also hear about exciting careers in science and have a quick look at the facilities and equipment that we have available for you. The Science Department will offer 4 different programs of study that will include an associate's degree in biology, an associate's degree in chemistry, an associate's degree in forensic science, and an associate's degree in pre-professional careers. Let's have a look at what is offered for you with an associate's degree in biology. This associate's degree will prepare you to transfer into biology programs in 4-year institutions. Some of those careers that you can achieve with a bachelor's degree in biology are biological science educator, veterinarian, biologist, epidemiologist, geneticist, biotechnologist, a medical scientist, a microbiologist, marine biology, zoologist, and molecular and cellular biologist also. Looking ahead to the future that you can start right here at the Science Department of the Lucerne County Community College. After completing your associate's degree in biology, you can serve, for example, as a research assistant, a biological assistant. You could be a medical sales representative with salaries that would range between $25,000 and $35,000 a year. At a 4-year institution with a completed bachelor's degree in biology, you can serve as a molecular technologist, a research associate, quality control supervisor with a salary that can go as high from $40,000 to $50,000. Now, if you decide to continue with your graduate education with a master's degree, you can serve as an adjunct professor, a molecular biologist, or an associate scientist with salaries that range between $50,000 and $54,000. Now, when you decide to achieve the highest level of education, a doctor's degree can offer you the chance to perform as a research scientist, an analytical scientist, or even a professor of biology, with salaries that can go as high as $95,000. The associate's degree program in chemistry is designed to prepare you for transferring into any 4-year chemistry program. Some career options with a full bachelor's degree include medical lab technician, research scientist, pharmacologist, water quality inspector, power plant chemist, occupational health professional. So if we look into possible careers as you progress with your education, starting with an associate's degree, the one that you can get right here at LCCC, you can work as a lab technician, as a medical technologist, quality assurance officer, with salaries that would start in the range of $30,000 to $35,000 a year. With completion of a bachelor's degree from a 4-year institution, you can serve as a chemist, analytical chemist, or even as a pharmaceutical chemist, with salaries in the range of $35,000 to $45,000. If you continue into graduate studies, a master's degree would allow you to serve as an adjunct professor, a research associate, or even a production chemist with salaries up into $70,000. With the highest level of education in chemistry, you can perform as a research engineer, a chemistry professor, or a senior scientist, with salaries that can range up in the $80,000 to $100,000. But now, if you prefer other different types of career, the pre-professional degree can prepare you into transferring to professional career programs in other 4-year institutions. Now, very important, we always recommend you to verify with your future institution of choice for specific requirements for their programs. Some careers that you can begin right here at the Science Department at LCCC that you can later on complete in 4-year institutions include a veterinarian, pharmacist, a chiropractor, and many others. The associate's degree in forensic science will get you ready, will get you on your way into a 4-year degree. As a professional forensic scientist, you can serve as a fingerprint analyst, as an evidence technician, a forensic manager, a forensic engineer, forensic pathologist, and many others, with salaries that can go as high as $100,000. Now, the big question is, why make the decision to begin your journey right here at the Lucerne County Community College? Well, we offer small class sizes, low tuition cost, highly prepared professionals in science education that will assist you every step of the way. Not only that, but we also have state-of-the-art science labs with all of the equipment that you will find at any four-year institution. Let's have a quick look at the facilities that we have to offer you. Here we have our general biology lab, our anatomy and physiology lab, our microbiology lab, general chemistry lab, and our organic chemistry lab. We understand that making a decision right away could be intimidating. That's why every student during their first semester is scheduled to take courses that fit the requirements of every program in the science department. These courses include Principles of Biology, General Chemistry, and Excel for Sciences. This means that you can start right away with your studies and then later make a decision on a specific program. So what steps to take after completing your science degree right here at the Lucerne County Community College? Well, we have transfer agreements with several universities that will offer you advantages if you complete your degree right here in the science department. The Wilkes University has transfer agreements for a seamless transition into their four-year programs, as well as dual admissions. In the East Stroudsburg University, we will offer you with reduced tuition, stipends, mentoring, tutoring. At the Bloomsburg University also offers dual admissions, an application fee waiver, and an easy course transfer to their programs. For more information, you can visit www.lucerne.edu and search transfer agreements for specific universities and specific offers. If you have any questions or want more information about any of our study programs, members of the faculty would be available to help you right after this presentation. Or you can contact Mary James, the Chair Department of the Science Department, at mjames@lucerne.edu. Thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon right here in the Science Department.